Well, it's a new year and new me. And I'm glad to look forward to 2024 without ever having to go into Connecticut. Oh no!
Send someone who really hurt their story. Yeah, problematic than that.
Yeah, why would you go there and cut him off? That's stupid. And you're like driving with no headlights or anything on? You're an idiot! Riding up the shoulder like a douchebag Toyo turd. And oh look, there's a broken down car up there. I wonder what you're gonna do. You're gonna cut in there. Because you're an idiot. And you're stupid. And I'm glad I don't live here no more. Come on, merge in front of me. What are you doing? Come on, hurry up. Nice cut off over there. People always screw up down here. We're in the fun part of Hartford. Nope! There was one. Holy crap, why would you be in the left lane if you're going to exit on Route 2? Or are you dumb? Yeah. Dumb.
But it came out what it was.
Oh, really? Look, you breaking news again?
Oh, well, come out. I didn't break it, John.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
Blackhawks now, and he has his own pursuit to go into program or get away from the NHL.
No, stop.
They were the two guys who kind of aren't a surprise. And then
Yeah, and there's a certain store somewhere near here that I should know about. Oh well, I guess I won't find it. I guess. I feel like there's something here.